Hello, my dear friends, how are you? Welcome back to the channel of QH Industrial. Today I will show you guys the SMT Pogo pins with a total length of 5 mm. This SMT Pogo pins is widely used in the male and female charging connectors for electronic products. When male and female pins are connected together, electricity or signals can be transferred. As shown in the CAD drawing, the total length of the Pogo pins is 5 mm. The diameter of the plunger is 0.9 mm. And the diameter of the barrel is 1.5 mm. The plungers and barrels produced by our company have been precisely electroplated and assembled with high-precision molds. For more detail of the size and spring force, please refer to the CAD drawing. Now I will bring you this Pogo pins which produced by our company. Compared with the drawing, the precision can be controlled within 0.05 mm. If you want to learn more about Pogo in connectors, don't hesitate to follow this channel. We QH are developing various magnetic Pogo pins connector solutions to our dear customers, such as 2 pins magnetic connector, 2 pins magnetic cable, 3 pins magnetic connector, 3 pins magnetic cable, 4 pins magnetic connector, 4 pins magnetic cable, 5 pins magnetic connector, 5 pins magnetic cable, 6 pins magnetic connector, 7 pins magnetic connector, 7 pins magnetic cable, 8 pins magnetic connector, 8 pins magnetic cable. If you want to learn more about CAD or 3D drawings, warmly welcome to contact us.